not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Hello MaCOOLit! Welcome back to my channel! In today's video, I'm going to make a Sudoku. Let's start! MaCOOLit, ano po ba ang Sudoku? Ang Sudoku ay isang laro na binubuo ng isang 9x9 grid sa loob ng mga row at column ay may 9 na malaking parisukat na kung saan ay subcompose ng mga 3x3 na espasyo. Ang bawat row, column at square 9 spaces per square ay dapat punan ng mga numero mula 1 hanggang 9 at walang numero ang dapat na ulitin sa mga row, column o square. Ang mga bahagi ng Sudoku. Ang nakikita nyo na yon ay isang 9x9 grid at may 9 columns and 9 rows. Example, ito. Ang tawag nito ay cell box. In 9x9 grid, there are 81 cell boxes. This is the rows and represented by letters from A to J and the columns from 1 to 9. This is a block. The block is the 3x3 area in the grid. Some people called it region. Take a look. This 9x9 grid has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 blocks or regions. The 9 blocks made up of 3 rows and 3 columns equals 9 cells in each block. This is the horizontal blocks, the 3 sets of horizontal blocks called rank. It has top rank, middle rank, and bottom rank. Here's the other one. Take a look. These are vertical blocks. The 3 sets of vertical blocks called stock. It has left, center, and right stock. The idea behind Sudoku is to fill in the numbers 1 to 9 in each row, each column, and each block. Use all the numbers 1 to 9 without repeating number. Take a look at this. Here is an almost solved puzzle. Just one cell remaining to solve. What do you think the missing number? We will check. 1, 7, 5, 9, 4, blank, 2, 3, 6. What is the missing number? Aha! 8. Yes, you are right. I think it is number 8. Here is the solved puzzle. No number can be repeated in a row, column, or block. They can only appear once. So, MaCOOLit, tayo po ang maglalaro ngayon. Iba't ibang level ng Sudoku. First, breezy, easy, medium, hard, expert. Let's play! So, this is the 9x9 grid. So, uunahin muna natin ang pinakamadali. So, ito sa column number 1 ang pinakamadali. Ang kulang dito is number 2. We will try put number 2 here. Oh yeah, we are right. It's number 2. Next is we will look for the easy one. Oh, this column! In column number 9! I think number 1 is missing. Let's put number 1. Yay! It's right! Next, in this area, I am going to put number 1. Dito sa column number 8 ay kulang ay number 2. Number 4. Number 7. Next is number 2. 5. 6. 1. 3. 9. 2. So, dito ang kulang ay number 2. 3. We are done, MaCOOLit. Let's play again. This is 9x9 grid under easy level. I think this is number 7. Let's try. I'm right. Number 3. Number 3 again. Next is number 5. Number 4. 2. Next is number 5. Number 6. Number 8. What's next? It's number. What do you think, MaCOOLit? It's number 7. It's number 7, MaCOOLit. I think it's right. You're right. I think it's number 9. Ang dito is number 5. 1. But it's a little bit hard. Let me check. Number 8. Uh-oh! I am wrong. What is the answer? Let me try the other one. I think it's 8. 3. But it's a little bit hard. But MaCOOLit, what is the answer? Aha! It's number 4. This one is number 2. So, dito ang kulang is number 4. 9. 1. I think it's number 3. The last one in a column is number 9. It's really hard na yung MaCOOLit. Number 5. I feel dizzy, MaCOOLit. Right now, it's very difficult. I think it's number 1. Please, MaCOOLit, help me. It's very difficult. Can you find the answer? Oh no, it's a bit hard. Let me try the other one. I think this region is number 7. Is number 6. It's wrong. Oh my god, what is the answer? Can you help me, MaCOOLit? I need your help right now. I think it's number 2. Number 6. Oh my god, I'm right. Let me check this one. Oh, I am right. Now, ang kulang dito is number 9. Let me check if number 9. Oh, it's right. 1. Are done, MaCOOLit. Our score is 5,045. Under easy level. Our mistakes is 2. Our time is 8 minutes and 23 seconds. Let's keep your mind sharp by playing Sudoku. Congratulations! We are 2 stars! MaCOOLit, meron pa akong Sudoku book. Iniikan ko dahil hindi ako pinabili ng mama ko. Buti na away yung mama ko. Buti nabili niya ito. I love mathematics. I love Sudoku. So, sa mga bataan na tulad ko na mag-practical tayo na gusto sa buhay. Imbis na mag-cellphone, ako ay magrarap ng Sudoku. Hindi pa masisira ang aking mata. Tatalas ang aking isipan. Kaya maglaro na kayo ng Sudoku. Galong lang po ang paglalaro ng Sudoku. Sana po may natutunan po kayo sa video na to. Hanggang sa muli, MaCOOLit. Don't forget to like, share, and follow, and subscribe.